Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan, Assistant Professor, MIT Aurangabad, presenting my video on the topic harmonic function for polar curve. Let us define it. A solution of Laplace equation dou t u by dou r square plus 1 by r dou u by dou r plus 1 by r square into dou t u by dou theta square is equals to 0 is known as harmonic function. First example, show that u is equals to r square cos of 2 theta is harmonic and find the corresponding analytic function. Also find its harmonic conjugate. All the things whatever we have discussed for Cartesian type of curve. Here also we require to show that it is harmonic, first part. Second part, construct the analytic function. And third part, find its harmonic conjugate. Here it is given u is equals to r square cos of 2 theta. It is function of r and theta. As it is function of r and theta, we try to find out all these derivatives. Therefore, differentiating this with respect to r, we get cos 2 theta is constant term and derivative of r square is 2r. Again differentiating with respect to r, we get 2 cos 2 theta as a constant term into derivative of r with respect to r 1. Then differentiating with respect to theta, this time we keep r as constant, therefore r square as constant term, derivative of cos minus sin 2 theta, chain rule into 2. Again differentiating it with respect to theta, we get minus 2 r square constant term, derivative of sin is cos of 2 theta, and chain rule, derivative of 2 theta is 2 with respect to theta, and therefore that value is minus 4 r square cos of 2 theta. And then substituting this in that result, we get that Laplace equation as dou t u by dou r square plus 1 by r dou u by dou r and plus 1 by r square dou t u by dou theta square is equals to, we get substituting dou t u by dou r square, that value is 2 cos of 2 theta plus 1 by r into dou u by dou r. The value of dou u by dou r is 2r cos of 2 theta plus 1 by r square into dou t u by dou theta square, and that value is minus 4r square cos of 2 theta, and that is equals to r get cancelled, 2 cos plus 2 cos, we get 4 cos of 2 theta, and r square get cancelled, minus 4 cos of 2 theta, and that sum is 0. That is Laplace equation is satisfied, and therefore harmonic. Here given function u is harmonic. Therefore, once again quickly I will repeat the steps what we have to perform. We have to prove that this Laplace equation is satisfied, for which we have to obtain the value of dou u by dou r square. By differentiating it twice with respect to r, we get that value. Plus 1 by r dou u by dou r, 1 by r into dou u by dou r, plus 1 by r square dou u by dou theta square. We can obtain that value by differentiating it with respect to theta twice. And if we get the sum as 0, means that Laplace equation is satisfied, and as Laplace equation is satisfied, u is harmonic. That is the first part. In second part, we try to find out analytic function, and using that analytic function, we can determine third part, that is harmonic. To construct analytic function f of z, we use this relation f dash of z is equals to dou u by dou r plus I times dou v by dou r multiplied by e raised to minus I theta. Using this relation, we can determine that f of z. Here we don't have the value of dou v by dou r, therefore using CR equation, okay, and it gives you, we can find the value of dou v by dou r as minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta. Substituting it in equation 1, and therefore that f dash of z becomes dou u by dou r plus I times dou v by dou r. The value of dou v by dou r is minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta into e raised to minus I theta. And therefore, substituting that two values here, the value of dou u by dou r is 2r cos of 2 theta, 2r cos of 2 theta minus I divided by r into value of dou u by dou theta. The value of dou u by dou theta is minus 2r square sine of 2 theta, and this is multiplied by e raised to minus I theta. Using r is equals to z and theta is equals to 0 by Milne-Thomson theorem, we have substituting r is equals to z and theta is equals to 0 by Milne-Thomson theorem. We have here it is 2, r is z, cos of 0, cos 0 is 1, sin 0 0, therefore that term becomes 0, and theta 0 means e raised to 0, e raised to 0 is 1, and therefore we get f dash of z as 2z. Integrating this with respect to z, integrating with respect to z, we have integration of f dash of z with respect to z, and right hand side integration is integration of 2 times z with respect to z. Its integration is f of z and its integration is z square by 2 plus constant of integration e, and therefore we get f of z as z square plus e. As equation 2 required analytic function. This is the required analytic function. We have f of z is equals to z square plus e. Answer for the second part. Then using this we can determine its conjugate function, conjugate of u, that is v. And for that we have f of z is equals to z square plus e. We substitute the value of f of z as u plus iv. It is u plus iv, general form. Z means r e raised to I theta and its square plus constant of integration e. Simplifying it, we get r square of this e raised to I theta is e raised to 2I theta plus e. This is nothing but r square. E raised to I theta nothing but cos theta plus I sin theta, and that raised to 2 plus e. We get this one as r square. Expanding this by de Moivre's theorem, its expansion is cos of 2 theta plus I times sin of 2 theta plus constant a. Then separating a real and imaginary part. Real part is r square cos 2 theta plus I times r square sin of 2 theta plus constant a. Left hand side we have complex number u plus iv. Right hand side we have another complex number. Sign of equality is there. Comparing, we get imaginary part v is equals to imaginary part of right hand side as r square sin of 2 theta plus that constant e. Equation number 3 as conjugate function of u. And what is u here? A real part, u is equals to r square cos of 2 theta, same as given. And therefore as we get the same u, whatever the answer obtained for v is the correct one. Therefore like this we can prove all the things. In first part I have shown that u is a harmonic. Second part we have obtained that analytic function f of z as z square plus that constant e, and using this we can determine the value of v as r square sin 2 theta plus constant e. Like this we can obtain all the required things. If you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel for latest updates or new videos. Thank you very much.